Hello, it's Brian from Optimized Marketing. And one of the questions that always comes up when we're talking to people about our strategy and how we generate leads for their local service businesses is, do you want an aesthetic website or a lead generation website? It's a really important question to understand. What do I mean by that? So let's look at an example here. So overall websites have a few different options. One's aesthetic. What does that mean? It's beautiful. It's generally expensive, but it lacks clarity. A lead gen, so it's effective at getting your business grown, right? Like it gets you leads so you can grow your business, sell more. Sites that do neither, which are unfortunately very common, maybe the most common, and it wants to do both. But those ones are expensive to create and maintain. What do I mean by expensive? I mean, you're going to start at $20,000. Often they're $50,000 to $100,000. So if your budget is in that range, okay, that can make sense. Most small businesses, though, you're better off spending $2,000 to $5,000 on a website instead of $20,000 to $50,000. Save that extra money and put it into traffic generation. So let's look at a few examples here on the aesthetic one. So this is a website. Come across, let's pretend you're looking at this. Tell me at what point you realize what they're selling here. And I'll walk through sort of my thought process of looking at see different. Okay, that's probably the glasses. They're pretty hideous, but there is something inside of them. I don't know if that's two sets of glasses. I'm not sure what that is. And Real is available now in the US. Okay, that's great. Whatever. I'm in the US, so I guess that's good for me because I'm there. Yeah, okay. I still see the glasses. Kind of hideous to me. Ultra modern. I don't know that I agree with that, but sure. Yeah, let's just go with you. Sunglasses with an edge. Wear it all day or tuck it away. Yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. That's obviously what you do with sunglasses. Lightweight and pocket sized. I would hope so. I mean, what glasses aren't? Not exactly a value proposition there. Some happy and unhappy people. Okay, so it's for all people. Watch anytime, anywhere. What are they talking about? Limitless entertainment? Huh? Let's keep like, oh, I get it. They're like the little inside glasses inside the external. Those are screens. 201 inch be blown away with. Okay, wow. So that took me almost a minute. I promise you I would not have made that effort in a normal situation to figure out what they're actually selling here. Now, this is a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing website with lots of attractive models and custom photos and imagery and all this motion and stuff. Like, this is an aesthetic website. This is an expensive website. This website is not good at lead gen. All right, the exact opposite of this would be something like Craigslist. Very clear, very simple, direct. Anything you want in here for sale. I want some bike parts, whatever. Like, it's just right there in front of you. Super easy to use, but it looks terrible. Like, it's just not a good looking website. So this would be the opposite of the spectrum. What can you do when you sort of combine the two? So this is where we try to make sites that are functional, right, for lead gen, and are aesthetic, but not necessarily to this level of custom imagery and all that kind of stuff. And so the thing that you need to understand is you have three things that you're balancing on the website: cost, functionality, and that aesthetic beauty. And so you can't have all three. You get to pick two. Which two do you want? Cost and functionality. What does that mean? You can make it cost effective and functional. If you said, you know what, I want it functional and beautiful. That's the answer most people tell us. Like, I want both. Okay, great. That's gonna be very expensive. $20,000 to $50,000 to $100,000. So figure out which two are important for your business. And then, this would be an example of a site that is very functional, doesn't have necessarily the fancy motion and imagery and so on and custom pictures and whatever, but it answers the three most important questions. Can you solve my problem? So IV hydration, relieving migraine, beautifying complexion. If those are your problems, then clearly it's addressing that for you. Are you in my area? Yep, Plano, Texas, cool, that's me. And see the benefits. What do I do next? Those are the three questions that need to be answered and asked. Address these quickly, effectively, and then allow a site that can change this headline, that can change these colors, that can change the graphics, the image, the call to action color, this image or graphic here. Like, a site that's able to quickly flip those things in and test and learn is going to be better overall than one that doesn't. So if you're working with optimized marketing, we default to cost and functionality, the most important things for our clients. If beauty is more a priority for you and you have the $20,000 plus budget, fine, let us know. Otherwise, we're probably not going to be a good fit. Thank you and take care.